Welcome to the App Builder, guys. This video is going to give you a basic tour of our system. So first thing, go ahead and log in with your account. Once you have been logged in, you have a lot of choices. We add templates, more templates each month. So basically find what you need. We have dental, real estate, any productivity apps, games, coffee shops. We have a lot. So let's start with one of these. So just click on the template that you like. Now go ahead and click on use this template. And up here on the top, you can select is it for an Android, web app, Kindle, iPad, or iPhone? Let's say iPad. Or we can do web app. If you like, you can also do Android. So it's that easy. Now let's select on iPhone. Go ahead and click on use template. Go ahead and give it a name. You can name it whatever you want. It's up to you. Once you have done that, you can go ahead and, again, it's going to ask you to select your platform. Could be any of these. Go ahead and click on next. Select the type of menu you like. You can add the wheel menu. That's a pretty new one. Custom tabs or the standard icons or no tabs. It's up to you. We're going to do standard tabs. Click next. Now here you can, change up the colors here and there, background color. It's all up to you. You can change all of this very easily. Now, you can also upload any images, any background. It's up to you. Click on upload and then you can upload it up. You can edit it out, change the size. It's up to you. Once done, click on next. Make sure also you can select the font size, text size, background, all that good stuff. Click on next. Now click on done. So now finally your platform is actually ready to be edited. On the left we have all these elements like images, buttons. We have extended buttons right here. You can add divs, columns. There's so much. There's all these are just all of these things you see right here. All these are icon elements. So select on what you need. We have a lot of GPS system, external links, video, PayPal button, card system. You can make people pay you. It's all up to you. Now go ahead and select what you want. It's up to you. After that, you can change things, change the menu right here. So once you're done, all you have to do is make sure you have edited everything that you want. Click on save, click on done. Now this is all the resources files. If you want, you can go back and edit things out. So let's say you want to go back, you could if you want to, or you can click on resource manager to add any items, any images, any video, not videos, any images, any small files. You can add that up here. Now again, edit button right here if you want to go back. Once you're done, click on done. Remember, I'm just giving you a basic quick tour. So there we go. Your app is almost ready. Now right here you can select, you can change your navigation settings, geofences, application settings, newsstand, publishing. There's so many features right here. In App Store feature, what you want about your description about your app on your App Store, all that good stuff. Now once you're done, you can go ahead and click on publish. That will show you how many depending on what plan you have. So it might not show business, it might show basic for just one app per month, or it depends on what plan you're subscribed to. Right now I'm subscribed to business, so I'm going to click on add. So it's going to do that. Now I'm ready to publish. Now once after that, you can click on submission process. We have a lot of options right here. You can publish apps under our account, but make sure that the apps do not violate any of these rules. And also the reason you should upload, and there is a chance we might deny it. So it's a really good thing that you should publish under your account. Why? Because if you want to move your, if you want to sell your app, then you should be able to have control over it. So for maximum control, I really recommend that you use your own account right here. As you can see, instant build will basically build your application and let you download it, or you can just click on this and then type your information up, and then you can just push it toward your account. Build and review is the same thing. It takes about 2 days. This one, instant build, is basically gonna compile the code and give you the code, and publish your account is gonna of course publish it to your account right from here. You do not need a Mac. So if you did instant build for of course iOS, you're gonna need Mac. But if you use one of these, you do not need Mac. So let's do instant build for now, just for example. Now here, these are your certification code that you can get from your iOS account. So the instant build, is assuming the fact that you're going to use your account, because you're going to get so you're going to need to upload those and click on upload. And that's pretty much about it. Let's go back to our application. We're going to create a new app. This time we're going to do Android. I'm just going to select one just for the heck of it. Click on Android. Use examples. Of course, you can name it whatever you like. I just wanted to give you an example, So Android right here, native Android. Next, standard icons. Make sure you select any of these if you want to. Done. I want to make this really quick. So, on this one, you can change up your HTML. You can add mob codes, layout. It's up to you. There's so many features that I can't even go over this, in the quick video, but you can, select any of these. It's up to you. Add, video, sound. It's all up to you. Let's click on save. Once you're done, then click on done. Again, see all of these. These are your resources files. Go ahead and click on done again. You can click on install on device. You can do the same thing with iOS as well. So it's you can preview the app. So for example, if you want to preview the app, click on this. Basically, 1 second. So all you need to do is right click and copy the link address. You can go ahead and open it up on your new browser tab. This app is going to actually let you preview your your platform. So that's up to you. Now let's go back. Again, you could do the same thing with Amazon. We just right click and then open the link on the new tab right here. So just open it up. See right here it has instruction on how to, if you do not want to install that app, there's other options. So you can select all of those things. It's up to you. Now let's just pretend we tested it out. Now we're gonna go back to our dashboard. Click on publish. Again, use this. Now ready to publish. Start submission process. Instant build. Okay. Now on this one, just go ahead and click on next. You want to make any changes to the icons, just do this, and you can either choose from an image or choose from a gallery. It's up to you. It's that simple. Now go ahead and okay, we got to change up the pixel size, so make sure you've changed that up. 1 second. Once you've changed it up, go ahead and click next, and it's gonna let you build your app. So just change it up and click next. Let's actually go ahead and do one. Invalid app icon, medium density screen, exactly 4848. So we can go ahead and change this. Choose from a gallery. I'm just gonna choose one just to give it a go. Okay, crop. So I'm just doing this just to show you. It's up to you. You can either upload it or so just gonna select all of it just so I can show you. Go ahead. So see if the size is not right, you can go ahead and click on crop, save. It's that simple. It's really simple. Okay, so we got all the app icons. Go ahead and click on next. We got to change this up quickly. Go ahead and click on one of these. 4848, crop it out, save it, next. So now, do you want to enable push notification or not? It'll let you select. It's up to you. So what is push notification? Basically, you can send out messages to people's phones. That's pretty cool, huh? So click on next. Now, these, if you do not know what these are, just don't select it. But basically, gap is permission default. What kind of information do you want to collect via your your app? So do you want is your app gonna vibrate? So if yes, click on yes. Do you want it to read its contacts of your client? The app set. Click on read contacts. If you want to write something or this broadcast, it just depends. So receive SMS depends on your app. So click on next. Application name, new name. So let's just call it application name test demo app. So on here I'm gonna type in com, means component. So I type in your company name, whatever you want. So my company name is ABCD dot my application name. So my application name is test demo app. Make sure it's all lowercase. All the instruction is on the right here as well. Enable app rotation. It's up to you. When you flip that, when you move the app and you want it to rotate. So there we go. Now click on done. Okay. Now, so this is the app we created, correct? Now go to page, I think, 1 second, settings, not page setting, I'm sorry. I keep forgetting things. So right now, this one's pending submission. So once this is done, you will be able to download an APK file. APK file is basically a native file that you can upload to your Google Play account. So go back to edit app. Now again, right here, you just gotta wait a couple minutes. It takes time. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes. If you go back, again, you should be able to download it. And all your applications are right here. So you could come back and click on edit pages and then change any of these files if you like. It's up to you. Let's click on page setting for a second. Just want to make sure everything is nice. Okay, so that's pretty much about it. If you have any questions, do let me know. Hold on, before you go, there's one more thing. Go back to my application. If you click on page settings, now right here, you can change a lot of things. Your navigation title bars, banner ads if you want to add a banner, add mob, what kind of, what are you adding? I add, my ad, depends. So you know where to go. You go to my application and you click on page settings and banner ads. Do you want to add right before the app loads? It's up to you. Transition app, so like this, flicks, so flicking the like a PDF file. Ratings, so you can actually give your app 5 ratings. It's up to you. Share button, page view, like that. Hosted resource, those are those things. Now let's go back to our my application and let's click on push notification again. Once your app has been published, all you have to do is type a message right here, right? And then you can actually click on send. It will send out a message to all your customers, your app installer. So it's that cool. Now let's click on that dashboard again. Now APK delivered. So your APK actually has been delivered. So let's go back to edit page. We should be able to download it now. 1 second. Right here. So click on download. So this is your APK file. APK file, basically you just go to your apps. Of course, you need your Google Play account. It takes about an hour to get it published. I found it takes a long time. You guys know that 7 to 8 days, even more. So, but Android is really easy. So let me just show you quickly actually. So that's your APK file right here, right? We made that file. We made that file, so make sure you save that file onto your um, desktop. Then go to Google Play Developer. Do Google Play is actually super cheap, so make sure you have now click on Add New Application. All you do is put in a name for it and upload that APK file. Just upload some screenshots here and there, and you're done. That's it. There is no hassle. It's the same thing, same concept with Kindle as well. So it's that easy. If you guys have any questions, make sure you ask for help. I hope you enjoy the app builder.